Although they are relatively modest in size, fennel seeds are packed with a significant number of health advantages. The medicinal properties of these tasty seeds have been used for generations in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of conditions. It is possible to enhance your general well-being by taking advantage of the many health advantages that fennel seeds provide, which vary from facilitating digestion to assisting in weight reduction. Therefore, why should you include fennel seeds a regular part of your diet? Here are 10 persuasive arguments in favor of including these little seeds into your diet on a daily basis. 1. Boost digestive health. The digestive troubles of bloating, gas, and stomach cramps may be alleviated by consuming fennel seeds, which are recognized for their ability to promote digestion and ease digestive disorders. As a result of the presence of anethol, which has anti-inflammatory characteristics, they have the ability to calm the digestive system and encourage good digestion. Moreover, fennel seeds have the ability to operate as a natural laxative, which may assist in the alleviation of constipation. 2. Reduces inflammation. Research has shown that chronic inflammation is associated with a number of health problems, including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Antioxidants included in fennel seeds are believed to be effective in combating free radicals and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Fennel seeds, when consumed on a regular basis, have the potential to protect against chronic inflammation and reduce the likelihood of acquiring these illnesses. 3. Aids weight loss. As a result of their low calorie count and high fiber content, fennel seeds are an ideal complement to a diet that is geared toward weight reduction. The fiber included in fennel seeds helps you feel full for a longer period of time, which in turn reduces your desire to eat and helps you avoid overeating. In addition, fennel seeds have the ability to stimulate the metabolism and assist in the breakdown of lipids, which in turn promotes weight reduction. 4. Regulates blood pressure. A significant amount of potassium, a mineral that plays a role in the regulation of blood pressure levels, may be found in fennel seeds. The effects of sodium, which might lead to high blood pressure, are neutralized by potassium, which operates by counteracting those effects. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet on a regular basis might assist you in maintaining more control over your blood pressure. 5. Improves heart health. Antioxidants included in fennel seeds not only have the ability to alleviate inflammation, but they also shield the heart from the harmful effects of free radicals. Additionally, fennel seeds are an excellent source of dietary nitrates, which have been shown to reduce blood pressure and in general promote the health of the heart. 6. Boosts immune system. Vitamin C, iron, and zinc are just some of the vitamins and minerals that may be found in abundance in fennel seeds. The maintenance of a robust immune system and the prevention of infections are both significantly aided by the consumption of these nutrients. 10. Promotes healthy skin. Not only are fennel seeds beneficial to your skin, but they also have anti-inflammatory effects. The redness and irritation that are brought on by skin diseases such as acne and eczema may be alleviated with their usage. In addition, the antioxidants included in fennel seeds have the ability to slow down the aging process and stimulate the development of skin that appears healthy and young. 8. Relieves menstrual symptoms. Since ancient times, people have relied on fennel seeds to alleviate the discomforts that are connected with menstruation. In addition to their phytoestrogenic qualities, fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory effects that may help alleviate cramping and bloating. Additionally, their phytoestrogenic properties can assist control hormone imbalances. 9. Aids digestion. Due to the high fiber content of fennel seeds, they have historically been used as a digestive aid. In addition to preventing constipation, fiber is beneficial in that it helps to maintain regular bowel motions. The essential oils included in fennel seeds are also responsible for stimulating the formation of digestive fluids, which in turn helps with digestion. 10. Promotes healthy weight management. It is also possible that using fennel seeds in your diet on a regular basis may help you control your weight. The fiber included in fennel seeds helps you feel full for a longer period of time, which in turn reduces the desire to overeat. Furthermore, the diuretic qualities of fennel seeds may assist in the elimination of excess water retention and the reduction of bloating effects. It is possible that including fennel seeds into your diet on a regular basis might result in a variety of positive health effects. Fennel seeds are a genuinely powerful spice that should not be disregarded because of its many benefits, which include enhancing digestion and bolstering the immune system, as well as encouraging good skin and healthy weight control options. If you want to get the greatest number of health advantages, you could either sprinkle some fennel seeds on your food or drink a calming tea made from them. You will be grateful to your body. When you go to the grocery store the next time, make sure you don't forget to pick up some fennel seeds so that you may begin enjoying the various advantages that they provide. Believe us, your body will be grateful to you for doing so. You will notice an improvement in your entire health and well-being if you continue to consume fennel seeds on a regular basis.